Yesterday we heard some massive news because Freepik is no longer called Freepik. It is called Magnific from now on. And in this video, I will show you what this is all about, what has changed, and what this means for AI content creation in general. And if you have never used a tool like this before, you will also get the right direction to go after watching this one. So let's get started. So first and foremost, Magnific is an AI workflow builder very similar to Freepik spaces that we had in the past. So the main feature and the main reason why Freepik is so popular these days is because it allows you to build these scalable AI content production workflows where you can create images and videos at scale. And instead of using those chat-based editors where you send a message in and get one result out, what Spaces in Magnific allows you to do is, for example, create a workflow where you can create 100, for instance, ads or videos at a time. So this tool allows you to build everything inside one canvas to keep everything consistent, fast, cheap, and scalable. Oh, and now, in case you're wondering what changes now that the name has changed, well, for now, nothing has changed. So if you know how to use Freepik Spaces, if you have watched my tutorials in the past, everything works the exact same way. But now if you're completely new to this technology, let me show you what it's all about. So if we go to Magnific Spaces, and by the way, you will find a direct link with a small discount in the description, we can sign up and click on Start Creating. Then to use the Spaces feature, just click on New Space on the right, and here is your empty canvas. And now the goal is to drag and drop nodes from the left-hand side into this view, and then connect those nodes to form workflows with which you can create images and videos. So just an example, let's create an image of a cat. So I will just type in create an image of a cat, then I will zoom out a bit so you can use the scroll function to move back and forth, and if you hold Command, it will zoom out while you're scrolling and zoom in while you're scrolling like that. And then you can obviously grab these with your mouse and move them around. Now, if we zoom out a bit, we can drop a connecting line or a connection from this text node into an image generator node. And then here's where the magic happens. So this tool allows you to use literally every main AI image generator model on the market from this one simple workflow. And that is absolutely massive because no longer do you need to have 10 different subscriptions or 10 different tabs opened up. Quite literally, everything takes place in this one canvas. So just an example, if I search for GPT, we can access the GPT Image 2 model, which is the latest state-of-the-art, best AI image generator model available on the market. Then we can choose the aspect ratio. For instance, we can do 16:9 for a wide shot. Then we can choose the 2K resolution, and then we'll just hit run, and it will start to create our photo. And now while this image is creating, let me actually show you another really powerful feature here in Magnific. And it is the fact that you have access to the Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro models. And as you can see, if I click run, it says run unlimited. So as long as you are on the Premium Plus plan at the time of making this video, you are not wasting any credits while using the Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro models. And this is massive because basically in any workflow that I have ever built, I have used the Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro models because those are such good for creating and editing images. So that is one of the standout features of Magnific. But now after about a minute, here is an image of a cat. So that's some basic stuff, but now what you can do is you can connect this image of the cat into a video generator node. And for example, here we can tell it to turn this into a video. So for instance, make a video of the cat walking. And once again, we can choose one of the models. For instance, we can do Seedance 2.0. Let's use the fast model to save some time. And then let's do a 5-second video on the 480p resolution. And then let's just hit run. And now here is the video we get. And now the whole point of this kind of a workflow builder is not just to create an image or video one time only, because for that you can use Higgsfield or OpenArt, and it's much easier. You don't need to worry about any nodes or anything like that. So that is not the point, but the point is to create these more scalable and organized workflows. Just as an example, the other day I built this workflow where I have an AI generated picture of an influencer and I have added a product over here, and then I have created an image where she is holding that exact product, and then I have created a couple of AI UGC videos of this person talking about this product in a genuine recommendation style. And these are very hot right now. These advertisements are pulling in crazy numbers and all the people are talking about these because these are so easy to make with tools like Magnific. And speaking of that, I have made an exact video where I show you exactly how to create this AI UGC workflow. And you will also find a direct link to these AI UGC workflows that I have built with Magnific in the description of the video. So if you click the links from there, you can just go and clone my workflows. But now, just for the sake of demonstration, let me show you another really powerful workflow that I built the other day. So for example, here, and I think this is one of my favorite ways to use a tool like Magnific. Here I have added a picture of my shoe, and this is a secondhand shoe, so I have worn it. It has some wear on it already, and I have just told the AI that I want to create an ad image of this exact shoe. So I told the AI to give me a prompt with which I can create a good looking ad image, and the AI gave me a prompt. Then I connected that prompt into an image generator and I got this result back. Then I added 3 more image generators with which I can create this same photo from a different angle. And then I even created a 360 animation of that shoe given this starting image and then also a short prompt that I made with AI. And here is the result that I got. But the power in this is that you can actually replace now this picture with any other image. So if you click on replace creation, it allows you to upload any other shoe, for example. And what's even better is that because Magnific has this list node, this actually allows you to run this workflow that I just showed you for an entire product catalog. And that is wild because you can just, with literally a couple of clicks of a button, create an entire ad campaign for your entire catalog. But as I said, I don't want to make this video super long, so this is just meant to be an update. I have covered all these topics well on my channel, and now the only confusing part is that these days the tool is called Magnific, not Freepik Spaces. But if you search for Freepik on my channel, you will find tutorials that work exactly like Magnific because this platform now just has a different name. But that said, I will leave some of my favorite workflows as links in the description, and also I will add some of my favorite tutorials and most watched tutorials related to Freepik Spaces, which now is called Magnific, into the description as well. So nonetheless, that is it for the quick update and tutorial. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good day.